there and welcome. Let's look at all these goodies that I've made this past week. First off, I have this delicious chenille soft velvety hat that I made on the knitting machine. It's so cute. I really like how it came out and it's very soft and perfect for the winter. Then I made this jumbo ice cream cone with 3 layers and a big cone. It's looking so delicious and I just wish it was real because it's making me hungry. Talking about foods, then I made a huge cup of hot chocolate, perfect for cold winter days to drink up. And with the handle came out a little bit too big, but it's okay. It fits the hand perfectly, just like a little mug full of hot chocolate or coffee or whichever you prefer. I personally like hot chocolate more, so that'll be my preference. Next, I tried making a emoji and I tried copying the blushing emoji. Here it is. It's a little bit crooked. I see the mouth came out not exactly as rounded as I would like. The eyes are not exactly the same, but it's a cute little idea. Maybe I'll try to improve it a bit more, maybe make it bigger so it'll be easier to make the details a bit more neater. Then I made another 2 ducklings with different color combinations. I'm trying all kinds of combinations of these colors over here. So I'm making all kinds of different combinations and they're coming out so cute and so delicious. Then I made little fruits. So I have here cherries, a little pear, and a little lemon with a little face, and last but not least, a corn on a cob. Here it is, also with a face. It came out so cute and looks very adorable. I really like that. Some plans for this week is I'm trying out a new kind of plushie. I'm still working on the details, but I got the base ready. This is like the body. It's gonna be either a cow or a goat, I'm not sure yet. And I kind of want to make it like sitting and maybe like holding a heart or something. I'm not sure exactly what. I've seen a few ideas like that. So I'm trying to take ideas from here and there and making it into something. So I'm working on this one. I'm also trying to find use for these yarns that I got over here. This white one, which is called Nubuck, which is a kind of suede. It's kind of like suede yarn. So it's a little like thick. It's not so soft and flexible. So I'm trying to find the perfect hook size for it and what exactly I could make with it. I have it in all kinds of colors and I'm working on ways to see how to work with it. And that's pretty much what I have for today. So thanks for watching and I'll see you next time. All the best.